Okay, happy.
Okay, happy, cheer up, and glad, and other things over the moon, and elated.
Yes.
These things, and other than you can incorporate now.
Okay, okay. Joyful,
Yeah,
delighted, and
delighted.
cheerful, and overjoyed, over
Oh,
moon. I am walking on air,
mhm.
and I am full of beans.
Okay.
Um, do you remember any happy moment in your life? Evening.
Hi, ma'am. Very good evening. How are you, ma'am?
Yes, I am fresh as a flower. Thank you asking for me. What about you?
So hunky dory, I'm totally elated. I can see you, and once in a blue moon, I got your message. So, I feel totally happy also. So, thank you so much once again.
Yeah, it's my pleasure. So these days, you are occupied your work. That's why you do session.
Yes, yes. So, tell me, how was your day so far? Today is Saturday, no?
Yes, ma'am. My day was very hectic, we can say, because today is Saturday. We have so many work, but I have completed by hook or by crook. Finally, we are connecting to each other.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
Yes,
And tell me,
definitely.
ma'am, how was your day?
Yes, my day was quite a hat tricks because today was my a day off. So that's why my family member also at home. So that's why I totally occupied of household chores, regard. So something I went outside for some grocery item purpose also. So that's why it's a little hat tricks, but now I am completely fine. I thought let's grab this opportunity. At least I have to make once video. I have to interact to someone like that. So I dropped the message.
And today is
Even
any festival? Maybe I think Vat Savitri Puja. Do you keep fast?
no, because in my side I listen, but we are not celebrate like that. I don't have idea about that.
Yeah, same ma'am. Because I heard, but I don't know how to worship for Vat Savitri because in my case my mother-in-law doesn't keep fast for the long time. So I
Mhm.
also she doesn't. So I don't do.
Okay, okay. Okay, so
So ma'am, we are connecting very first time. So I would love to know about yourself.
sure. My name is Malati. I live in Bangalore. If I talk about my education, I have completed my graduation, and nowadays I'm full-time homemaker, and simultaneously I'm small YouTubers also, where I'm trying to uploading conversation, solo, and shorts video. And apart from there, if I have talk my hobbies, I like to talk in different personality. I like to travel. I like dance. I like watching movie. Yes, ma'am. It's pretty much about myself.
Yeah, it's a great introduction from your side. So, as you already know, my name is Pooja Verma. I am from UP. I live in Kanpur, and I have a small YouTube channel where I upload conversation video and short video. And yes, that's all about me, ma'am.
Okay, yeah, it's great to know about you, and I'm very happy today. So, okay, so tell me nowadays, what are you doing? What is going on your life? How is life treating you? Little bit, I want to know about your English journey as well.
Okay, ma'am. So, my life is going on fantastic. And if I talk about my English journey, so it's been 7 months, eight is running, and yes, my practice has been going on fantastic. And at least I try to take one session through the video. And if I talk about audio call, so audio session also I take at least to two and three audio call for practice
Okay.
purpose.
Okay,
Yes,
so I think you are in group. I think that Sunita ma'am and Neha ma'am group, you are in also there in this group, WhatsApp group.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. So how is going on their practice?
Yes, ma'am. My practice has been going on fantastic, and I learned something new. And I learned something new. I learned some new ideas from them when I connect to each other. Yes,
Okay, okay. It's a very great to know about that, right? So because you are improving day by day, this is a very plus point for us actually, right?
Yes, ma'am. So, when did you start your YouTube channel, ma'am?
In my channel, I have started my YouTube channel. I think it's completed 9 months.
9 months. So, how is your channel going on these days?
Very smoothly and very slowly, because as you know, I am also learner here, right? And I am facing so many hurdles while learning. And actually, when you know, I was not, people are starting from 2 years 3 years then start YouTube channel, but in my case totally opposite. When I start my learning English journey, then I start my YouTube channel is a simultaneously. So that's so it's not that much drastically change or something like that. But yes, I proud of myself, because I am, whatever I am talking to anyone, I try to raw upload the raw video without editing, like which is in my mind and mouth. I just casually talk in a random, so I try to upload. But yeah, it's going on smoothly and slowly also, better than I am feeling. If I will connect to anyone people, and if I can interact to anyone, I feel more confident, and my hesitation is also day by day is reduced. So that is the main happy and main things for me, which is I wanted to for a long time, right? So these things going on, rather than other things is maybe in future it's happen or not, I don't know. But yeah, I'm doing work consistently also there.
Yes, ma'am. Because if we start anything new, we have to face a lot of problem, and sometimes we can't able to upload video every day because if we are living joint family, so it is not possible to do everything on time.
Yes.
But
Yes.
if you have, we can say, if you have fire in your belly to do something, so you can do many things, whatever we want.
Yes, yes. And that's why I am not able to posting daily basis video. So that's why I try to, because of sake of consistency, at least weekly once or twice video, I try to post it there. Apart from there, or just I'm focusing source video where I'm learning some new vocabulary, if I'm learning, and if I'm learning some new idiom. So I try to post it there, but I'm not forcing about long video, because every time we can't get partner also, first things, right?
Yes.
The second thing's timing also matter, as you already mentioned, with joint family, with a lot of responsibility in our plate. So it's literally hard to do daily basis. But yes, sake of consistency, I'm doing weekly once or twice video only.
Yes, but ma'am, I try to upload at least one short and one long.
Okay, daily.
Yes, ma'am,
Wow.
because recently I started my channel. I have uploaded 42 and 44 video like that.
Okay.
And because I want to continue my journey, I don't want to break the chain because consistency matters a lot. It doesn't matter you are beginner and you are intermediate level and you are advanced level.
Correct.
But consistency matters a lot. If you continue your journey, so you will grow.
Yes.
Otherwise, it is not possible to grow in your life.
Yes, I totally 100% resonate with you, because only consistency is a key of success. Okay, but might be possible it will take maybe little long time. Some person purpose very certainly they can achieve. But we should not hopeless, and we should not throw in the towel our hope and everything, right? So that's why
Yes.
we have to go consistently one day. And okay, let it be about other part. At least we can gain our confidence. We should try to focus there, right? At least we are learning daily basis something new. If we are interacting in a different personality, at least we can learn from there, na? At least there some knowledge, something we can learn. So that is we should have consider other, rather than, yes, slowly and gradually everything will be good, but consistency, which is a very matter to every sector, and which is you are following, it's very good, man.
Yes, and I would like to ask, like you, as you told, like you make video like in English idioms video and phrasal and some vocabulary. So how do you improve your we can say pronunciation? How do
Pronunciation,
you overcome pronunciation
pronunciation,
problem?
it's a very big challenge for me nowadays because I am from out of country. So while talking, people are very easily rectify my pronunciation, my accent. So they start to asking, "Ma'am, where are you from? Your accent is a little different." So I feel little bit okay. I have to work in there also. So yes, I am trying to I try to listening English related podcast and native speaker also, but not consistently. Whenever I get time, in that time only I try to listen at least, because of I have to work on there.
Yes, because I have a pronunciation problem because if I learn any new word, I can't pronounce proper. If is very difficult to I can't pronounce proper.
Yes, yes.
I try to speak at least 100 times. Then I can
Okay.
pronounce proper because
Okay.
it's very difficult for me. We can say when I learn any new vocabulary. But
Hmm.
if vocabulary is very easy, so it's I can pronounce very well. But
Yes,
if is like we can say long, so I can't pronounce proper. We have
yes.
to speak many time.
Exactly. And this problem, I think, facing every learner, I think, initially time, okay. And one of them I am also include there. I am facing mostly MT problem and pronunciation, accent, all the things I am facing. So which is I want to walk in there nowadays. So I am trying to do little bit also from there also.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay,
So, yeah.
you one word. You can tell me the synonym, whatever you have. I think everyone have, but at least our learner will learn something new from this video.
Okay, let's try. If I will, I try. At least I will try. If I will do, I can do. It's okay. Otherwise, you will correct
Yes,
me.
I will tell you. I will tell you. No, no issue.
No.
Okay, it's sad,
Sorry.
sad, sad.
Sad. Sad of synonym.
Yes.
Sad of synonym. Hopeless. And what can be other? Now I'm not getting look.
Okay.
And please give me the hint.
Okay. I want to tell you. I have jotted down, so I can tell you, and you will also learn something. Okay.
Okay.
I
Okay.
am a bit low today.
Low. Yeah. Correct. Sluggish.
I
I
feel
think
down in the dumps. I feel down in the dumps. I
down
am
in the.
blue
Mhm.
and I am gloomy.
Gloomy down in the dumps, and I think sluggish also.
Sluggish.
Hmm.
Yes.
Sluggish also, I think. Okay.
And busy. Busy, ma'am.
Okay.
Busy, busy.
Busy. I totally occupied, and as well as exhausted means I think tired, right?
Yes, exhausted not.
Yeah.
Exhausted.
Occupied, busy, and other. Maybe you have to help me.
Okay. Occupied, tied up, swamped,
So and
and
yeah.
snowed under. Snowed under.
Okay. Oh my God. At the same time, we can't even recall also.
Yes, that's because if we recognize immediately, so we can't.
Yeah.
Okay, happy.
Okay, happy, cheer up, and glad, and other things, over the moon, and elated.
Yes.
These things, and other than you can incorporate now.
Okay, okay. Joyful,
Yeah,
delighted,
joyful,
and
delight.
cheerful, and overjoyed, over
Oh,
moon. I am walking on air,
mhm.
and I am full of beans.
Okay. So many,
Yes.
no? Okay, okay.
Angry, ma'am.
Angry,
Yes.
furious,
Yes.
and angry means, oh my God. I first time playing such kind of game.
Okay, okay.
Angry, what can other? You please help me. I'm not getting now.
Annoyed, annoyed, furious, and irritated, and
Irritated, okay.
enraged.
Intense, okay, okay.
Yes.
And one more also is there. Um, okay, let it be. I'm not getting now.
Okay, okay. issue. And happy, beautiful man. Beautiful, I
Beautiful.
think you know. Beautiful.
Godly.
Gorgeous, gorgeous.
Godly. And other things, what can be? Oh my God, now I'm not getting exactly.
Okay. Gorgeous
Hmm.
and stunning
Stealing,
and adorable,
adorable,
charming,
charm,
charming.
charming.
Yes. And beautiful, it's like that.
Okay, okay. Cute also.
Yes, cute also we can say. Okay, ma'am. And yummy.
Yummy,
Yes.
tasty, delicious, and one of the what recently I learned, which is from Priyanka. Um, I'm not getting now. Yes, from it starts from yes.
Yes, yummy, it's a common. We can say delectable,
Delectable also, and
delectable and appetizing.
appetite.
Appetizing.
Okay.
Yes, appetizing. Yes, like that because when I learn anything, I jot down in my diary because
Okay.
yes, and ma'am, hungry.
Hungry, starving, and I don't know other. I forgot now. I'm totally blank now.
No issue. Starving and famished.
Famished, yes.
Yes, famished. Yeah, two. I know two word only.
Okay. Mhm.
Yes.
Other, it's a complete.
Yes, I remember like that, so I asked you. And important. Do you know important?
Important significance.
Hmm.
Uh, and important significance and other what can be crucial and
Yes.
as well as significance crucial. Oh yeah, these things I know. Maybe I forgot. Yes, other also.
Like crucial, significant, and momentous.
Momentous,
Yes, and vital.
vital. Yeah, vital also.
Yeah, and another thing I forget. I also forget, and I learned at least four word, but I forget.
Wow,
Two and
you are
three,
doing such good work. Yeah, you are doing such a good work. Really.
yes, because I can learn, and if any viewer will watch my video, so definitely they will learn something new from this
Yes,
video.
yes, correct. It's
Yes,
very
ma'am.
great thing actually.
And I think I would like to share one vocabulary.
Mm-hmm.
Hoity-toity. Hoity-toity.
Whitey.
Yes.
Okay, I have no idea. Please tell me what is the meaning of whitey doity?
Hoity-toity means we can say ghamandi and nakhdila.
Means arrogant synonym.
Yes, right. Hoity-toity. Just
Mm-hmm.
like we can say, I don't like hoity-toity people.
Okay. You are not, I think, hoity toity.
Yes,
Oh,
because I think nobody like hoity-toity people.
yes, but yes, we can get so many people in around of us hoity toity also, right?
Yes, ma'am. We can get so many people. Okay, so um, do you remember any happy moment in your life?
Yes, anytime I try to be nowadays happy, okay,
Okay.
because if I will try to, think in a nostalgia, I feel happy and sad also. So I don't want to, whatever now we are surviving our life, okay, this is very good. Nowadays we are thinking my life is not good, okay, one certain of time later in future when we recall our timing, that time we thought okay my past was very happy, same thing happening from childhood to now, okay. So that's why I try to be very happy, but yes, I was very happy when I got my child, means when I um, got my child, means after delivery, when I baby boy, when I got baby boy, that time I think entire world. I was very happy like that. I was wondering that time, and still I'm very happy if I remember those days. This days was very big for me. So apart from there, when I got my first job, that time also I was very happy. And when I got result, at that time I passed and I was passed. So that time also I was very happy. So many things are there which is I can't elaborate now. And
Yeah.
I had love marriage. After success my love marriage, I was very happy. Okay, so many things are there. So yes, so many time I try to be happy even.
Yes, because I remember one incident. We can say when I got new bicycle
Mhm.
from my father. He gave me bicycle on my birthday. I was over the moon because that was my first toy, we can say. Because
Oh,
I love so much for my bicycle. I used to go to school from my bicycle every day. So
oh,
that is was we can say that moment was over the moon for me.
okay.
I
Yes,
think
yes,
there are so many moments in our life, right?
yes.
When he became a mother very first time, that moment was very over the moon. And
Very.
after that, I think there are so many moments, right, ma'am?
Yes, now we can't recall, but we were enjoyed a lot in that kind of small moment also. And I'm thinking, at least we try to be anytime happy, but circumstances anytime not given to permission. Like sometime it's our timing is very different. When we will be in hot water, that time it's very hard. But yet, if any kind of situation, if we are surviving, at least we try to be happy, right? Because we are alive, our family member are good. And other than something is happening to every person life, which is some bad thing, something not good, even though at least we try to be happy, right? So this is, I think, main happiness for us. But yes, some of the things are very different, memories and such kind of things, get together, family meeting, festival, occasion, in that duration is a different kind of vibes. But anytime we should try to at least happy.
Yes, because when we meet our friends for the long time and like your sister, so we feel over the moon. At least we meet to each other, we can talk so many things, we can share so many things with friends. Because before marriage, I had so many friends, but after marriage, I don't have any friends. But
Yes.
after learning, I made so many friends.
Yes, nowadays maybe you have a lot of friends.
Yes, I have lot of friends. I can talk to each other. I can share my happiness and sadness both. Because in family, we can't share everything with our in-laws, with our sister-in-law. We can't share. But if we have friends, so we can share everything. We can share and we can take suggestion to each other. What should I do at that situation?
Correct, correct. Definitely. If we will get friend, we can exchange our thought also, our problem also, our happiness also, all the things. So sometimes it's also requirement in our life from friend also, right? Which is we are getting. So it's very good for us nowadays, right?
Yes, ma'am. So now, ma'am, actually, I don't know who is calling. So now I end up the session. It was nice conversation with you. I enjoyed a lot. And thank you
Yes.
so much for your precious time.
Yes, same. And like a wife is mutual. I'm also very happy. I'm also over the moon because I got you today, and it's very nice conversation. Thank you so much for your precious time. Again, we will join in future. Okay, bye.
Bye bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.